Hola, hola, bienvenidos. To give a good impression, sometimes giving a compliment can help, and it can be in a work situation, to a friend, or even when flirting. So, we are going to talk about a few different ways in which you can compliment someone. First, I want to point out that there are different grammar structures to give a compliment. So, you could say eres, you are, tienes, you have, or you could also say me encanta, I love. The easiest is eres plus an adjective. So you could maybe say eres guapo. You are handsome. Or you can say eres un buen amigo. You are a great friend. Eres amable. You are nice. Eres inteligente. You are smart. Or you can also say tienes, you have. For example, tienes una gran sonrisa. You have a great smile. Tienes una hermosa familia. You have a beautiful family. Tienes una linda casa. You have a nice house. Or tienes mucho talento. You have a lot of talent. And finally, we could say I love or me encanta. Me encanta tu camisa. I love your shirt. Me encantan tus zapatos. I love your shoes. Me encanta tu collar. I love your necklace. And finally, we could also say, me encantan tus sillas. I love your chairs. And did you notice that when it is plural, we would say me encantan plus whatever it is that you love? Take a look at the pictures and find something to compliment them about. You could say, tienes una gran sonrisa. Me encanta tu collar. Tienes una linda casa. Tienes mucho talento. Excelente trabajo, amigos. You did a great job today. I was happy you were here with me again, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next lesson, right? Bye bye.